Welcome to Paradise Resort Gold Coast and our standard family rooms. These rooms are all located in either Cleo's Castle or Astro's Alley and suitable for up to 6 guests. Bedding does vary and will feature either one queen in the main room and 2 sets of single bunks in the second, or one queen plus one single in the main room and one single bed plus one set of single bunks in the second room. One baby cot can also be added to either configuration for babies up to 2 years of age, or you can bring your own. These rooms have also been hooked up with a smart TV in the main room, as well as complimentary Wi-Fi, so you can stay connected to all your favourite apps, such as Netflix and YouTube, while you're on holidays. And although our rooms at Paradise Resort are hotel style, they are not equipped with a full kitchen. However, you will still find a small bar fridge, microwave, toaster and kettle, as well as cups, plates and basic cutlery to make your stay comfortable. In the bathroom, you'll find a bathtub and shower all in one, plus other bath and body products including bath towels, a hairdryer, hand soap, shampoo and body wash, which will all be replenished as part of our daily housekeeping services. These rooms are also fitted with an air conditioner, as well as a small fan in the kids area to help beat that Gold Coast heat, along with an iron and chairs. And to top it all off, all guests can sit back and enjoy complimentary Wi-Fi, so you can edit and post all of your favourite holiday snaps while relaxing on your balcony.